Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is find the LCM and SCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM into SCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so we have to find the LCM and SCF of the following pair of integers and we have to verify that LCM into SCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so the first, let us solve the first one. Okay, so first one given that 26 and 91. Okay, so let us find the LCM and SCF by using prime factorization first. Okay, so that means 26, we can write 26 as 2 13s. Okay, so since last digit is 6, it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Okay, and 91. So since last digit is or it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so 91 it is divisible by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 2 1 21. That means 7 3 is 21. So 7 into 13. So we can write 26 as 2 into 13 and 91 as 7 into 13. Okay, so 26 is written as 2 into 13 and 91 it is written as 7 into 13. Okay, so now LCM equal to, okay, so LCM equal to product of, you know that LCM equal to product of, so here least common multiple, that means greatest power we have to take. Okay, so product of greatest powers. So each factor. Okay, so product of greatest powers of each factor. So each factor is 2, 7 and 13 are each factor. That means 2 into 7 into 13. So greatest power of 2 is 2 power 1 and 7 is 7 power 1. Okay, 13 is 13 power 1. Okay, so 2 7s are 14. 14 into 13. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1. So 182. So LCM we have obtained is 182. And now find SCF. Okay, so SCF equal to, you know, the product of smallest powers of each common factor. Okay, so each common factor. Okay, so that means common factor here is only 13. Okay, so 13 to 13 power 1, that means 13 is the SCF. Okay, so we have find the LCM and SCF. Okay, find the LCM and SCF of the following pair of integers. We have found that LCM and SCF and verify that LCM into SCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, we have to verify. Okay, so do verification. So verification. Okay, so LCM into SCF. Okay, so left hand side it is LCM into SCF. So LCM, let us find LCM into SCF equal to, so LCM we have obtained is 182 and SCF 13. So 182 into 13. Okay, so 182 into 13. Okay, 182 into 13. 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24, 4 2 3 1 3 plus 2 is 5 into again 182. 6 6 13. Okay, so 2366. LCM into SCF value we have obtained 2366. Okay, so now product of two numbers. Okay, so let us calculate the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to, the given numbers are 26 and 91. Okay, so product of two numbers is 26 into 91. So 26 into 91. Let us calculate 26 into 91. So 1 26 is 26, 9 6 is 54, 4 5 9 2 is 18 plus 2 is 18 plus 5 is 23, 6 6 3 2. Okay, so 2366. Okay, so LCM into SCF value we have obtained 2366 and product of two numbers is also 2366. Okay, so therefore LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so therefore LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers we have obtained. So hence verify. Okay, so we have verified the given answer. Okay, so let us discuss the next question. Next question is 510 and 92. Okay, so let us solve the second one. Second one given that 510 and 92. Okay, so here 510, let us factor in the 510 value. Okay, so since last digit is 0, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 2 is 4. 1 1 11, that means 2 5 is 10, so 1 0, and that means 2 5 is 10. Okay, and now 255, let us factor this. So 255 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12, so 12 is divisible by 3, so that means it is divisible by 3 table. Okay, 3 8 is 24, 1 5 15 is remains, so 15 means, so 3 5 is 15. Okay, now 5 plus 8 is 13, it is not divisible by 3, so since large 8 is 5, it is divisible by 5. Okay, 5 1 is 5, that means 3 5 35, so 5 7 is 35, so since 17 is prime, it is not divisible by any number. Now let us factorize the 92. So here last 8 is 2 even, that means it is divisible by 2. 2 4 is 8, 1 2 12, 2 6 is 12, again last 8 6 is even, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Okay, so since 23 is prime, it is not divisible by any number. Okay, now we can write this 510 as 510 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Next 92 can be written as 92 equal to 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, so now let us calculate the LCM first. Okay, LCM equal to, you know that product of greatest powers of each factor. Greatest powers of each factor. So here each factor is 2, 3, 5, 17. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into and 23. So 2, 3, 5, 17, 23. So here 2 into 2, that means it can be written as 2 square into 23. Okay, so 2 power 2 into 23 it can be written. So similarly here 2 power 1 into, it can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 17 power 1. Okay, so here product of greatest powers of each factor. So greatest power of 2 is 2 power 2, that means we can write 2 square here. So greatest power of 3 power 1, that means 3 power 1. Greatest power of 5 power 1, and greatest power of 17 is 17 power 1. So greatest power of 23 is same 23. Okay, so that means 2 square value is 4 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Okay, so 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So 60 17 ja. Okay, so 60 into 17. Okay, 7 6 are 42. Again 60 value 0, 10,020 into 23. So 3 0 3 2 is 6, 3 0 3 1 is 3. Next 2 0 0, 2 2 is 4, 2 0 2 1. Okay, 0 6 4 3. Okay, 23,460. So 2 3 4 6 0 is the LCM of these two numbers. Now let us find the HCF. So HCF equal to, you know that HCF equal to product of smallest powers of each common factor. Okay, so each common factor. So here common factor is only 2 is the common factor. Okay, so 2. So smallest power of 2 is 2 power 1, that means 2 power 1 is value 2. So therefore HCF value we have obtained is 2 and LCM value we have obtained is 2 3 4 6 0. Okay, so we have find the LCM and HCF. Now we have to verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, let us verify that. Okay, so verification. So first we have to verify that LCM into HCF. Okay, so LCM into HCF, let us find LCM into HCF first. So LCM value we have obtained is 23460 and HCF value is 2. Okay, so 23460 into HCF is 2. Okay, so 2 0 is 0, 2 6 is 12, 2 1, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Okay, 46,920 is the LCM into HCF value. Now we have to verify the product of two numbers. Okay, let's find the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to, so since the given numbers are 510 into 92. Okay, so 510 into 92. Okay, so let us calculate the 510 into 92 value. 0 9 1 9 9 5 45 02964. Okay, so 46,920 same value. So LCM into SCF value we have obtained 46,920 and product of two numbers is also 46,920. Okay, so therefore LCM into SCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, since these two values are equal, therefore LCM and SCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so therefore LCM and SCF equal to product of two numbers, so hence verify. Okay, so now let us solve the third one. The next question is 336 and 54. Okay, so let us solve the third one. So third one given that 336 and 54. Okay, so now let us factorize 336 first. Okay, so 336, since the last digit 6 is even, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 1 is 2, so 1 3 13, that means 2 6 is 12, 1 6 16, and 2 8 is 16. Okay, again last digit 8 is even, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8. Second last digit 4 is even, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Last digit 2 is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So your last digit 1 is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. So let us check for 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3, so it is divisible by 3. So 3 7 is 21. Okay, so now let us factorize 54. Okay, so here 4, so last digit 4 is even, so it is divisible by 2. So okay, 2 2 is 4, 1 4 40, that means 2 7 is 14. Again 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, so that means it is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 9 is 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9. Okay, so now 336 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so 2 is the 4 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 is the 4 times into 3 into 7. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is the 4 times, that means we can write 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. Again 54 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 power 1 into, we can write 3 is of 3 times, that means 3 power 3 we can write. Okay, so now let us find the LCM. So LCM equal to, we know the product of greatest powers. Okay, greatest powers of each factor. Okay, so each factor, so here each factor is 2 3 7. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so greatest power of 2 is, so 2 power 1 2 power 4, that means 2 power 4 is the greatest power. Okay, 4 is the greatest power, so 2 power 4. So greatest power of 3, 3 power 1 3 power 3, so 3 power 3 is the greatest, so 3 power 3 into 7. So 2 power 4 value is 16 into 3 cube value is 9, that 3 cube value is 27 into 7. Okay, so 16 into 27 into 7. Okay, so 16 into 27 into 7, so 16 into 27, that means 7 6 are 42, 2 7 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 3 4. Okay, 432 into 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 are 21 plus 1 is 22, 7 4 are 28 plus 2 is 30. So we have obtained 3024. Okay, so 3024 is the LCM value. Now SCF. Okay, so SCF equal to, we know the product of smallest powers, of each common factor. Here common factor is only 2 and 3 are common factors. So 2 is common factor, 3 is also common factor. So 2 into 3, product of common factors is 2 into 3. So smallest power of 2. The smallest power of 2 is 2 power 4, 2 power 1. That means 2 power 1 is the smallest power. Okay, so 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, 3 power 3. So 3 power 1 is the smallest power of 3. Okay, 3 power 1. So 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Okay, so 2 3 is 6. Okay, so LCM value we have obtained is 3024 and HCF value we have obtained is 6. Okay, now we have to verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of that numbers. Okay, so let us verify. So verification. Now first let us find the LCM into SCF value. Okay, so LCM into SCF value. LCM value is 3024 into SCF is 6. Okay, so 3024 into 6 value. Okay, 3024 to 6. 6 4 are 24. 4 2. 6 2 are 12 plus 2 is 14. 6 3 are 18. 1 8 144. So this is the LCM into SCF value. Now product of two numbers. So let us calculate the product of two numbers. Okay, product of two numbers equal to. So since the given numbers are 336 and 54, so 336 into 54. Product of two numbers is 336 into 54. So let us find the value. Okay, so 336 into 54. 4 6 are 24. 4 2. 4 3 are 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. Next 5 6 are 30 0 3. 5 3 are 15 plus 3 is 18. 5 3 are 15 plus 1 is 16. 4 4 11 7 8. Okay. So 18144 we have obtained. So LCM into SA value we have obtained 18,144 and product of two numbers is also same 18,144. Okay. So therefore LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay. So hence verified. So hence verified. So this is the answer.